walk around with this stick, rotate with this stick, and beyond that, he's basically really similar to like an RC car, except more terrain capable. Also, I'm sure you've seen the videos, you kick him, he'll catch himself. He has a specific weight profile mathematically input into his internal calculations for walking to allow him to compensate for the weight of the scanner on top of him. So that's really good. And I think that's pretty much the basics. Questions?
How many cameras?
Yeah, he has 5 cameras, 1 on each side and then 2 on the front. And he uses those to build a depth map of his immediate environment that he will then choose, make decisions on his foot placement based off of. And that's also how he's recognizing where he is in relation to the tag. He takes sort of like 3D images around him and compares those to the 3D images of the recorded mission that I have to see if he's going to the correct places. And that's all Boston Dynamics' technology. It's kind of like a Segway. If you've ever seen the Segways that are able to really, it's same general concept.
So how are you controlling? You have like a camera you're looking through?
Yeah, you can see. I can
like
see through his
person?
eyes. Yeah, I have a first-person view here that I can do. I can also, if I choose, he can recognize the ground, so I can tap on an actual spot on the ground, and he'll automatically go there. If there's something in the way, he'll go around it. There's our first scan. He's going to go ahead and come over here now.
So is he like inertial? Is that how he's navigating?
Yeah, there's also a video, if you guys haven't checked it out yet, of Adam Savage has one of these. And he tied a chariot to it. And the issue with the chariot was that it didn't have a purely vertical weight profile. It was also pulling back on the robot and other strange forces like that if you turn. So they actually sent a Boston Dynamics engineer to customize the weight profile and inertial profiles of the robot to be able to pull a chariot. Yeah. You guys can Google that one.
And it's set up targets for you?
So we have a waypoint or a workflow for the RPT 600. So if you have reflectors set up, you can have an RPT 600 on him, and I mean it's basically just a tripod at that point, but still. I don't know about setting up targets. There is an arm. Sorry?
How does he calculate the instrument height?
You know, there is a decent amount of the technology that we don't have exposed to us at the moment. So all I'm able to do is sort of log into the robot as an admin and define, like with a tape measure, oh, it's this tall, it's this high, and some behind-the-scenes internal system is using that in a way that I am not allowed by like NDAs in order to see what's happening there.
So when it revisits the site, how close is it, like the scanner from the previous?
It gets, I would say, maybe like a foot radius that he'll come to about the same place, more or less. It's not like millimeter accurate, but the scanner does a lot of really good self-registration and self-balancing. I don't know how much you guys have bragged about X7s around here, but
They're the best.